Okay, more boxes. We have more engines, more model trains coming today. And this is coming from Burlington, Maryland. This one right here is from Torrington, Connecticut. And this one from Hagerstown, Maryland. Peru, Illinois. And this one is from Wentzville, Missouri. Okay, let's see what's. Sorry for the paint I'm working on. Anyways, let's see what's inside. Alright, from the Wooden Railway, Thomas. Okay. Next package. So we got Edward. So no wires, but at least we have the battery cover. Nice. Yes, any Red Express passenger coach. What's this? Oh, a holiday. Tomas. I have 3 of those. Stickers looks nice. Cool. Alright, next. We have a 09 Mateo Thomas. Freddy. Actually say Fearless Freddy from his toy company. Looks nice, clean. Percy from Mateo, missing the rubber wheels. And here is another Thomas. And Emily. Okay, Billy. The stickers looks, oh, the whole engine looks better than the other one I got. It's just a little dent right there, but the stickers are better, definitely. Cool. Okay, last box. We have another Thomas. Oh, a lot of battery corrosion. This is Tommy from 02, Tommy. Okay, and I got maybes again, looking good. Victor. Another Percy. Heavy battery damage. Oh, Edward. And here is the tender. Nice. We got the battery cover. We are going to turn these 2 Edwards into the FR livery, the red Edward. Okay, So I got this other Thomas. It's a remote control Thomas. If it works, it would be nice. I have a lot of remotes laying around. Okay, Molly Stender. Last one, another Thomas from Tomy. This looks clean, better than the other ones. No, not a lot of new or rare engines. The only good thing is Bigley and Holiday Thomas and the two Edwards that I will use for the red livery. The others are good. The good thing of this one, I can turn it this, and these three guys. I could paint them and make them Timothy the Ghost engine. That's the only good thing about this. Yep. And the last one right here, this other Thomas, I can paint it as the pumpkin, the Halloween train. I got a lot of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough time to paint them before the holiday. I mean before the Halloween. But anyways, so what I'll do now is I'm gonna test every single engine. These two are not working, and this is remote control. So I'm gonna test all these engines. Let's go. Alright. Oh, this definitely is not gonna work. Okay, let's see. Molly's tender. Noisy, but it's working. Okay. Now, Billy. Now, to wake up these engines, I'm going to give them a little bump, like a 5 volts. There you go. It's working now. Cool. Next, we have big train. Let's try it on with a battery. No. Okay, 5 volts. There you go, 5 volts. Working. It needs a new gear. Let's see Freddy. First with the battery. No. Now 5 volts. There you go, it's working. Cool. Excellent. Okay, now Thomas. And it's working. Excellent. Percy. Working really good. Alright, another Thomas. Oh, battery corrosion. Let's see if it works like this. Oh, it's working. Okay. Next, another Thomas. Oh, forgot the screw. Oh, pretty bad. Look at that. Let's see if it works. Completely dead. Oh no, it's working. Amazing. Okay, let's see this wooden engine. A lot of corrosion too. I must try. No, this is completely dead. I cannot use the power over 5 volts because it's going to burn the light. If it's working, it's gonna get burned. Alright, another Thomas. I forgot to screw. Corrosion, but let's see if it works. Yeah. It's working. Cool. Now maybe this looks clean. Let's try now. No. Okay, I'm gonna give 5 volts to maybes to see if it works. Yeah, it's working now. Now let's try with the battery. Cool. That's an easy fix. Just give it like a 5 volts and have your new engines running. Okay, now this other, oh, a lot of hair in there. Okay, this is the last engine. Yep, it's working. That noise comes from the motor right here. I gotta change the gear. Okay. So we got almost all engines in working condition. The only bad thing is a few of these need battery contacts and a wires for this, and it's good. Alright, hope you guys like it, and see you on the next video. Bye.